First reading, Hebrews chapter 9 verse 2-3, 11-14. There was a tent which comprised 2 compartments, the first, in which the lampstand, the table and the loaves of permanent offering were kept, was called the holy place. Then beyond the second veil, a second compartment which was called the Holy of Holies. But now Christ has come, as the high priest of all the blessings which were to come. He has passed through the greater, the more perfect tent, not made by human hands, that is, not of this created order, and he has entered the sanctuary once and for all, taking with him not the blood of goats and bull calves, but his own blood, having won an eternal redemption, the blood of goats and bulls and the ashes of a heifer, sprinkled on those who have incurred defilement, may restore their bodily purity. How much more will the blood of Christ, who offered himself, blameless as he was, to God through the eternal Spirit, purify our conscience from dead actions so that we can worship the living God. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 47 verse 2-3, 6-7, 8-9. For Yahweh, the Most High, is glorious, the great King over all the earth. He brings peoples under our yoke and nations under our feet. Let the music sound for our God, let it sound, let the music sound for our King, let it sound, for he is King of the whole world. Learn the music, let it sound for God. God reigns over the nations. Seated on his holy throne, the leaders of the nations rally to the people of the God of Abraham. The shields of the earth belong to God, who is exalted on high. Gospel, Mark chapter 3 verse 20-21. He went home again, and once more such a crowd collected that they could not even have a meal. When his relations heard of this, they set out to take charge of him. They said, "He is out of his mind."